and outstanding people have one thing in common, an absolute sense of mission. Welcome back. This is Shobya Clinton inviting you on another episode on COTV, A Voice That Matters. On today's show, we have Kanishka Weeramunda with us, the founder, chief executive officer of PayMedia and DirectPay. Welcome, Kanishka. Welcome on to our show.
My pleasure being here.
Tell us, Kanishka, how did you start this?
We started PayMedia as a fintech company in 2014. It was a challenge and opportunity given by one of the local banks in Sri Lanka to prove a technology. So it was Sampath Bank who gave us the opportunity to launch a real-time cash deposit machine. That was the birth of PayMedia, and from there onwards, we did quite a lot of fintech innovations with banks, financial institutes, as well as the government institutions. With that, we had the hunger to make it more bigger. So that's where we started off DirectPay as a spin-off of PayMedia to cater the digital market. So I think in my fintech experience, both companies were started with support of local banks and financial institutes.
You have been the forefront of fintech companies. How do you distinguish your fintech journey?
I would put a different perspective. Now, when you go to a shop or when you go online, your intention is basically to buy something or to obtain a service, right? As a byproduct of that service or the offering, you tend to make a payment. So what we do is basically we facilitate that payment on behalf of the merchants. So that's how we differentiate ourselves among most of the other fintechs. So if you really look at, that's a very large volume, because everybody today, for any service or offering, there is a payment, right? So one of the key things how we differentiate ourselves is we run on the forefront. We basically go through the entire customer journey and create innovative solutions for our customers, that is the merchants. So if you take insurance sector, we have a complete solution for insurance sector. If you take e-commerce, we have a complete set of solutions for e-commerce. Logistics is one of the upcoming industries that we do quite a lot of fintech solutions. Education, we have from school education to higher education, everything we do a lot of solutions. So that's how we have differentiated ourselves, and we basically become today one of the fastest growing fintechs, basically piggybacking on innovation and disrupting the market with quite a lot of new products and services.
Kanishka, tell us future plans for PayMedia and DirectPay.
Right. So if you look at PayMedia, it caters to more or less a brick and mortar industry of financial technology. So we deal with cash and checks. So DirectPay, on the other hand, caters to the digital. So if you really look at our strategy and our vision, PayMedia will be a company which will serve the existing industry with banks, financial institutes, especially government institutes in terms of collection payments. And DirectPay would basically take a complete different avenue where we will be focusing on future of fintech, where we will look at lending side, payments and settlements, and also looking at large financial inclusivity to be provided to all the citizens of Sri Lanka and beyond. We are also looking at certain cross-border opportunities with DirectPay, where we will facilitate certain payments on behalf of especially freelancers, merchants who want to sell outside Sri Lanka. And also we are looking at getting into a lot of government payments, especially transport, traffic fines, and other payments which government also can easily collect things from customers. So that's we are looking at. So in a strategically, or if I tell you in a landscape, so we have the brick and mortar business from PayMedia, and we will have DirectPay, the digital and the innovation part of the business.
Kanishka, tell us the success journey for upcoming entrepreneurs.
if you look at my success, it has been on 3 pillars. One is mainly a passion. Then the second thing is burning desire to make something happen. And the third one would be willingness to change the world. So if you really want to become a successful entrepreneur, or maybe even to become somewhat of a successful entrepreneur, you need to have focus. So do not divert from your focus. Be focused to what you want to achieve, and also always consider that you are not the only player. So that gives you quite a lot of challenge internally to have that burning desire and to get wherever you want to go. So I would say, number one, focus and have that passion and the burning desire, and always take challenges.
Thank you very much, Kanishka, for being with us today.
Thank you very much for inviting me, and it's my pleasure to be here.
Until I see you on another episode, signing off, Ms. Shobya Clinton.